Hello friends, please subscribe and click bell icon. Thank you. Hi, welcome to Murli Maths class. So today we'll learn trigonometry, exercise 6.3, fourth problem. 6.3, fourth problem. So first we'll write the problem what they gave. An aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meters finds that the two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. The angles of depression of the boats are observed from the aeroplane are 60 degrees and 30 degrees respectively. Find the distance between the boats, and root 3 value they gave 1.732. that's it. So now first we have to draw the diagram, then we can find the answer for that. Read the problem, from that we can draw diagram. An aeroplane at an altitude of 1800 meters. Okay. So this is the height of aeroplane, 1800 meters. Finds that the two boats are sailing towards it in the same direction. So aeroplane is moving in one direction, the same direction the boats also moving. So let us think that the aeroplane is moving this side. So boats also moving this side only, no? Okay. The angles of depression of the boats are observed from the aeroplane are 60-30 degrees. Let us draw one line like this. Let us think that one boat is here and one more boat is here. This angle of depression they gave. Angles of depression they given. And first one is from the aeroplane are 60 degrees, 30 degrees. So first boat is 60 degrees. From this aeroplane, this is the first boat. Second boat, 30 degrees. That's it. So mark A, B, C, D. From this we have to find what is the distance between the two boats. This is first boat and second boat. This distance we have to find out. So distance between the boards equals to AB. This answer A to B is distance between two boards. So AB answer we have to find out. We have two triangles and two angles. We will take and we will solve this. Okay. First you take triangle ACD, 90 degrees. Triangle ACD. Triangle ACD. ACD triangle, if I take ACD, 30 degrees we have to take. Tan 30 equals to tan opposite CD adjacent AC. CD by AC. Tan 30 1 by root 3. CD C to D 1800 meters. AC as it is. Now do cross multiplication. AC equals to 1800 root 3. AC we can write it as AB plus BC. AB plus BC equals to 1800 into root 3. This you take it as equation 1. Now we have one more triangle, no, that also we will take. Triangle, what triangle you can take? BCD. BCD. If I take BCD triangle, we have to apply BCD. Which angle? 60 degrees. Tan 60 equals to 60 opposite CD adjacent BC. CD by BC. Tan 60 root 3. CD 1800 by root 3. BC we don't know, as it is right BC. BC right here, root 3 right here. That means cross multiplication. So we will get BC answer. BC equals to 1800 divided by root 3. Now this BC answer, substitute in equation 1 here, we will get AB answer. That is nothing but distance between the two boards. Okay. Substitute BC in equation 1. So AB plus BC 1800 by root 3 equals to 1800 into root 3. Now AB plus 1800 can we write like this? 1800 we can write it as 3 into 600. 3 how to write? We can write it as root 3 into root 3 into 600. So 1800 we can write like this. Root 3 into root 3 into 600 by root 3 equals to 1800 root 3. So why I wrote like this means we can cancel this both. So because of that I wrote. Okay. Next remaining right now, AB equals to 1800 root 3 minus 600 root 3. This one 600 root 3 taking on right hand side minus. Now in this both, which is common? Root 3 is common. We will get 1800 minus 600. Next, root 3 answer 1.732 into 1800 minus 600, 1200. So both, if you multiply 1200 into 1.732, the answer will be 2078.4 meters AB. Okay, so both, if you multiply this 1.732 into 1200, 2078.4 is the answer. That is nothing but that is equals to distance between the two boards. That's all. Okay, thank you.